Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Charmaine. I got a request to do like a video showing you my hair care routine, so I thought I would do that today. It's gonna be a very short one because my hair care routine is actually not that complicated, if complicated at all. So this is my hair. Naturally, it's not too oily. It's a little dry at the end because well, it's kind of old. I should trim it, but I haven't had the energy to go to my stylist. The color's faded, as you can see. It still kind of looks okay. It's towing the line or not okay anymore, but it's still okay. This is just a really brief introduction of my hair type, and my hair situation right now. Okay, so I'm gonna split this video into two sections. So the first section will be what I'm using right now, and then the second section will be what I'm gonna be using in a couple of months' time. In a couple of weeks, actually, or days, depending. So first of all, I wash my hair and I condition my hair every day / every 2 days, depending on how hot it is and how much I sweat or how oily my scalp gets by the end of the day. I don't really have an oily scalp problem. Instead, I actually do have like dry scalp problems. But my scalp has that it's so dry that it overproduces oils kind of problem. So it's like itchy, and like the sort of like flakes that come off my hair is like kind of disgusting and annoying. While it's partially the skin on my scalp that has been causing this, it is also partially because of the stuff that I've been using on my hair. It's not really the best for my hair, but I still try to use it up because like I bought it, so I want to use it up. It's not that bad. So what I'm talking about is these herbal essences, Bio Renew, Smooth, Golden Moringa Oil, shampoo and conditioner. And I've been using this for like the past 2 or 3 months now. I actually had to change. Actually, there's a story to this. So let me just tell you the story so you understand better. So some time back, I actually bought this set to use in my hair, and I noticed that it's really affordable, but my hair still felt really soft, really hydrated. It just really overall felt really nice for like a drugstore shampoo. So I was kind of floored. I was kind of like, oh my god, this is so good. I loved it. So I used it all the time, and then I ran out of it. And then I decided to try the Briogeo Superfood green apple, and I don't remember. I'll leave it up here as the green one. I decided to try those, and my hair became so much better than what this one gave me. And like my scalp was better, my entire like situation was just better. The hair strands were softer and stuff. I only had that in my collection because it was on sale on Sephora around the time that I bought it. Then I ran out. And then I was like, oh, I don't think I can afford the full price of the Briogeo one, so I thought I would just go back to the drugstore to my last known favorite, which was this one. But I was like, since this one was good, why not try another scent? And I bought the rosemary and mint one, if I'm not wrong. That's what it's called. It's the purple one. And those I couldn't even finish. I would wash my hair about like 3 times a week maximum. I try to give like 2 or 3 days in between each wash to try like space it out. It dried out my scalp so much that it really just felt so itchy all the time on my scalp. My hair was crunchy, and I was just like itching my head all the time. And actually even now it's still kind of itchy, but back then it was so itchy that it was kind of painful. I think it kind of bled a little. So I thought maybe I'll go back to this one because it's supposed to be like a little bit more hydrating than the rosemary one, I guess. This one didn't end up hurting my scalp as much as the other one. But my experience with this is no longer the same as how it was before the Briogeo. So I'm not really very sure if it was Briogeo that changed my hair type to become more intolerant of this kind of shampoos, or it's just like it's been a while, so like my body's changed and then now I can't take this shampoo anymore or something. So that's the story of this one, but this is what I use. Will I recommend this line? Yes, I actually really like herbal essences. I know for a fact that back in the day it did not hurt me at all, and it was actually really very enjoyable. So I'm actually really confident to say that that is actually just a personal issue. I'm not saying that it's like never buy it ever again. It's more like I have issues with this myself. Usually after I shampoo and condition my hair, I don't really use a hair mask. Once in a while I might go in with a hair mask. I don't really have the one that I used to use now anymore. It's the Macadamia hair oil one or something like that. It used to be like a classic YouTube staple. This type of hair mask, I used to use it back in the day, and then it changed its formula. I didn't know, but I wanted a new hair mask years ago, so I bought the macadamia one again. It didn't smell the same, didn't feel the same, didn't perform the same. It's a really heavy hair mask that's supposed to do so well for your hair, but it's no longer the same. It kind of went bad in my shower because I didn't use it for so long, so I threw it away because it was disgusting. In a perfect world, in a perfect life, I would use a hair mask at least once every 2 weeks at least. Although once every week is like ideal, but it depends. You can tell that my hair is not super like thick and voluminous, so I feel like I can get away with like once every 2 weeks or something, so that it doesn't really like weigh down the hair. Lastly, when I'm done with like my shower and stuff, my hair's wet, I'll come back here, I'll sit down in this chair. I will blow dry my hair every time I wash my hair. After working in a Japanese hair salon here for like almost a year, I've learned that it's a lot better, at least in Singapore, but actually just better in general, to just dry your hair, especially your scalp, because like moisture gets stuck inside and then it kind of causes like, I don't know what it causes, but it does make the scalp's condition not as good, and your hair is supposedly weaker when it's wet as well. So you want it to dry as fast as possible, and you want your scalp to not be exposed to too much moisture at one go. I think it breeds bacteria. I think that is why like when you sweat, you tend to want to wash your hair faster. Then there's also the point about how like Singapore is just super humid, so it's even worse for our hairs to stay that wet all the time. But before I actually blow dry my hair, I like to go in with a hair oil, because a hair oil is important if you want to protect your hair from heat. So the hair oil that I have been using and I actually really like, this is the L'Oreal ELSEVE Extraordinary Oil Botanical. As you can see, I'm almost done. I think I only have 2 nights. Tonight or tomorrow, depending on when I wash my hair. I only have 1 use left out of this bottle. This oil is really thick but still lightweight somehow. Really nourishing. It makes my hair feel so good. I used to love the Innisfree camellia oil one, the hair oil one. I still kind of like it, but this one has taken the cake. If you're looking for like a good hair oil in the drugstore, I recommend this entire line actually. You don't have to go for the Botanical scent slash line of products. They have a lot of different hair oils from this line that you can try. Okay, so with that said, these 3 things and the hair mask that I'm just gonna put there because I don't have it anymore, but these 4 things I guess are like my old routine. All of these things are running out. This conditioner is running out, this shampoo, as you can see, is kind of running out. It's up to like about here, so I might have like maybe like 3 or 4 washes depending on how much I use to go, which I'm really excited about because my scalp can't wait to use what I'm going to show you next. Because I've tried out the Briogeo Be Gentle, Be Kind Superfood shampoo in like the green one, basically the green one. I got this one to try out because I really wanted to try a banana scented shampoo to see if I really like the scent, because I remember liking the green one's scent quite a bit, and of course I also liked the way it made my hair feel. It's also like a clean beauty brand, so it's also very healthy for your hair. It will always not have like all the harsh sulfates, silicones, parabens, all those like gunky things that you're not supposed to have in your stuff. This one doesn't have it. Oh, it's 0% colorants and gluten. It doesn't say like, oh, this one says no silicone, so I guess it might have sulfate in this one. Yeah, it has SLS in this one. Maybe that's why my hair is like disgustingly disgusted by that. But anyways, my hair was really happy. My scalp was so nice. My hair was lustrous. It felt soft after one wash. It was so silky. There was a lingering scent, and even after you're done like blow drying and everything, there's still like this like lustrous shine and slip in my hair and stuff. And it's just a dream come true, to be honest. I'm not even trying to be dramatic right here. It's just Briogeo's like I have tried the shampoo, so I can say for sure that it's really good. Really good stuff. So if you can afford this, it's not insanely expensive, but it is not drugstore price, that's for sure. Stay tuned, and maybe in a couple of videos you'll see that my hair becomes a lot better. Maybe I should do like an updated video once I actually change to this new routine that I'm going to be showing you. So like after that, I also got the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask that is like a cult favorite by now in the beauty industry, on the market. Everyone loves this product. It's like an Allure 2019 award winner. It's just a really famous hair mask that is like everyone's tried and true, and it's from their Don't Despair Repair line. So it is made for repairing, it's made for damaged hair, and I'm damn sure that my hair is kind of damaged, even though there's no split ends. So like touch wood, there's no split ends yet. I hope there will never be split ends. This is gonna be my new hair mask in place of the one that is no longer the same. And then last but not least, to replace my hair oil that's running out, I've also bought this Briogeo Farewell Freeze rosehip, argan and coconut oil blend hair oil. It came a lot smaller than I expected because I'm so used to like a bottle this big and heavy. This one is a plastic bottle, this is a glass bottle. This has a lot more product too. This is like 100 ml. This one is a 30 ml. I don't know, it's a little small, but it's also a lot expensive. A lot more expensive. I actually just realized that I'm just switching into like a full Briogeo hair care routine now, which hopefully will help out my hair quite a bit, because like I'm kind of sick and tired of all the sulfates and stuff in my shampoo and stuff, because evidently these things has been causing me so much pain on my scalp. I don't know how to like even explain to you how disgusting my hair feels. My hair strength feels like it's okay. It looks okay on camera, it looks okay in person as well. It performs okay, but I feel like my scalp is like sick. So I'm really very excited to like go back to Briogeo, to go back to like something that I love. I did spend a little bit more money trying to like get all these things to me, to like get it into my routine, and since I'm gonna be using it every day, it's gonna cost me quite a bit of money if I want to like keep up with this routine, if I like it. And I got a really good feeling that I'm just gonna love everything. So RIP wallet, but hopefully it'll be worth it. Also not sponsored by Briogeo though. I don't really like to brush my hair that much. I don't know why. Also like there's a lot of like dust and hair out in this brush. So like recently, I think because my hair has been a lot more tangly, I think it's because like it's starting to get actually damaged. I broke out my wet brush again to use. This is my favorite detangling brush slash hair brush kind of thing. If you're looking for a good hair brush that doesn't tug your hair, it runs through and detangles really efficiently, consider using the hairbrush. Another contender would be the Tangle Teaser, which I also have and I used to use a lot. But there's like something about the way the flexibility of this hairbrush here, of the bristles here, that makes brushing the hair a lot more enjoyable. I don't really brush my hair a lot, as you can see. Look at this. This is so much better than what it was before, but I just don't really have the habit of brushing my hair. But if you're looking for a hairbrush, this one makes your hair look so good, and it is not damaging to your hair, so you know that it is good. It is good things. It is good things. Yeah, it is good things. I don't know if you already noticed, but from this video, you should be able to tell that I'm not really like the hair person to go to. My most watched video is the hair dyeing video, which is weird, but thanks so much if it came from that video. I'm just more of a makeup person in general. I know how to do hair a little bit, but I'm not super good at hairdos, hairstyles, hairstyling and stuff. I did have a little bit of training in the salon, but that's about it. So take what you will from these videos, but this is my hair care routine before and after, more or less. I thought since we're at this stage where I'm like changing my hair care routine, overhauling my hair care routine soon, I might as well just show you my current one and my to-be one. I guess that's what it's supposed to be. So yeah. So yeah, this is the video. This is my hair care routine, current and to-be. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful in some way. I hope it gave you ideas for where to look for new products to use next. I really highly recommend Briogeo products if you haven't tried them already and you have the money to spend on them. So worth it. So anyways, if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also consider subscribing to my channel down below. And remember to also click on the notification bell just beside the subscribe button so that you will be reminded every time I post a new video, so that you can watch it the moment I post it. And also, if you're into gaming or if you're into like Twitch stuff, streaming and stuff, I do have a Twitch account. My Twitch handle is ShamiBear. I stream every day, so come over and hang out if you want to. There'll be a link down below, but you can also like type in my name into Twitch, and you can find me. And then obviously, last but not least, I also have an Instagram. If you didn't know already, my Instagram handle is @ShaminCCW. So if you want to follow me there, then please do go over and check me out. I'll have the links down below as well, but you can also type in whatever's on the screen right here. And with that, thank you so much for watching all the way to the end of this video once again, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys!